Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix download failed virus detected message in Chrome. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Windows 11 settings, then select here privacy and security, then click on Windows security. In this, double click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage settings. Here you disable real-time protection, click on yes, then disable delayed protection also, then close this window, open Google Chrome, click on three dots top right side corner, click on settings, then click on privacy and security. Here little bit scroll down, click on security. Here also little bit scroll down, then click on no protection, then click on turn off. After turning off this option, close this window, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.